are seeing this video. This video may be for you. As always, only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Your intuition will never steer you wrong, so make sure to listen to it. I don't have time for a vibe and chill this week, so I'm just going to be posting a collective. Okay. Alright. Let's see what the collective needs to know today. Alright, let's just split the deck. We have Two of Pentacles for balance and multitasking, and we have the Tower. Interesting. Alright, let's see what comes out. Let's see what else we need to know. We have the Empress. Okay, so Divine Feminine, most likely this message is for you. You are standing in your power. You are Empress status. You are in this Empress energy. And right now you have the Two of Wands. You're contemplating what your next move is. Where's this side? We have the Ace of Pentacles. So you have a new beginning and potentially like some kind of financial reward coming your way. And ooh, yep, Wheel of Fortune. So yeah, definitely don't need to worry about money. If you are having money issues, just know it will be resolved eventually. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Karma is turning in your favor. And we have the Queen of Cups, so you are in touch with your emotions, empathic, and so forth, but there may be some hostility and mind games going on in a certain situation in your life, or people doing things behind your back, so just be mindful of that. And what's this? Yeah. Oh, we have the Page of Swords. Yep, it's probably because you're dealing with an immature energy or someone that maybe is not mentally all there. They have some kind of issues. Yeah, very immature and acts rashly. Yeah, not a fan of those people. You have the Magician, so either you are manifesting like a better outcome, or they are trying to manifest you back into their lives. That seems to be going on a lot here. And so yeah, you may feel a little trapped or powerless, a little stuck or stagnant at the moment, but just know that you can get out of that, that you are not